Indian curvy plus-size models come in a diverse array of appearances, each one unique in their own right, challenging conventional beauty standards and redefining what it means to be beautiful. From their radiant smiles to their confident strides, these models exude a sense of empowerment that transcends societal norms. Physically, Indian curvy plus-size models often possess voluptuous curves, embracing their bodies with pride and confidence. Their curves celebrate their heritage and cultural identity, reflecting the natural diversity of the Indian populace. These models showcase a range of body shapes and sizes, from hourglass figures to pear shapes, demonstrating that beauty knows no bounds. In terms of facial features, Indian curvy plus-size models display a rich tapestry of diversity. Some may have striking high cheekbones, while others may boast captivating almond-shaped eyes. Their features are a reflection of India's rich multicultural heritage, blending elements from various regions and ethnicities into a harmonious whole. From fair skin to rich, deep tones, these models represent the spectrum of Indian beauty. Hair plays a significant role in the overall aesthetic of Indian curvy plus-size models. Some may flaunt luscious, flowing locks cascading down their backs, while others may sport chic, cropped styles that frame their faces. Whether curly, straight, or wavy, their hair is a testament to their individuality and adds an extra layer of allure to their overall look. When it comes to fashion, Indian curvy plus-size models effortlessly command attention with their impeccable style. They embrace bold colors, vibrant patterns, and figure-flattering silhouettes that accentuate their curves. From traditional Indian attire like saris and lehengas to contemporary Western wear, these models showcase a diverse range of fashion choices that cater to every occasion and mood. Beyond their physical appearance, Indian curvy plus-size models radiate confidence and charisma on the runway and in front of the camera. Their presence is magnetic, captivating audiences with their infectious energy